Hello there. In this short tutorial, we're going to create an eSignature column to add to our equipment form in our NITRO Forms designer. First, we'll head on up here to Create Column and click on the drop-down. Go down and select NITRO Signature Column. We have the option to either select an existing column, in which we would just select the column here, or select a new column. For this tutorial, we're going to use a new column, and we're going to call it Signature. And the internal name will also be Signature. Click OK. And over here under Form Controls, we're going to go ahead and search for this signature column that we've just created. And it will be this icon here. We're going to drag this form control where we want to place it on our form. And go ahead and drop it. And then we're going to go ahead and publish this form. Put a publishing comment if we'd like. And here we are back over in our equipment tracking list, and we're going to go ahead and create a new item. And then if we expand our location section, we see that we have a new eSignature column. We're going to go ahead and do a little signature. And then go ahead and clear if we'd like and do it again. You can do that as many times as you'd like. Alright, that's it for this tutorial. Thanks guys.